that unique sound that you have somehow developed, blending dancehall with elements of R&B and hip hop. Yeah, tell me about that process.
Well, that would be.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media, and today I will talk my mind and be brutally honest. I will not hold back anything.
Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Alkaline recently sat down with Cliff Hughes for an interview, and when asked about Vybz Kartel, Alkaline arrogantly looked around the room and asked, isn't he locked up? Right? That is so tone deaf and intellectually shallow, and it exposed more than Alkaline even intended.
It's just a vibe. It's just fun, yeah? It's not really.
Vibes, as in Vybz Kartel? No. Okay.
Isn't he locked up?
Yes.
Okay.
That question just show how deep the insecurity runs. It's almost ironic. Alkaline sits comfortable in Miami while Kartel, while trying to dismiss Vybz Kartel, while Kartel is in his city selling out Miami venues, selling out the Barclays back to back, 20,000 capacity and all of these other things. And meanwhile, Alkaline touch down in Canada and sell out a 3K venue, right? And Kartel I do all of these great things. Let's be honest. It's 2025 and Alkaline has virtually done nothing significant in dancehall all year. No platinum plaques, no gold selling plaques, no silver, no nothing. And Vybz Kartel has now been certified silver with Summertime and doing all these major things. Meanwhile, Alkaline so-called hot song have already burned out and have no longevity culturally, no numbers, none do nothing. While Kartel hit songs is continuing to go up and up and up. Who is really locked up? Because from where the culture stand, it's clear who's moving the street, who's moving the charts, who's moving the conversation, and it's not you. Basically, Alkaline spoke a lot more about other things, and I want you guys to check it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Because to me, this interview was boring. I could do well without even watching this interview or even do a video on it because it had nothing. And now I am glad Vybz Kartel is out of prison, where now we can compare Vybz Kartel interview in 2025, in 2024, right, with their with Fidem interview and show you say it's not on the same level. They do not even meet the threshold. Them do not even meet the threshold to compete. You understand me I say? So usually me always keep it nice, keep it nice. But now me just have to just be blunt and just tell you what it is and how it is and everything. You see me? So check out the other check out the rest of the interview.
That unique sound that you have somehow developed, blending dancehall with elements of R&B and hip hop. Yeah, tell me about that process.
Well, that would be music and my enjoy listening and them thing, especially when we come up, you know. I don't know, say a student of the music too, you know. So I mean, I say big up the music, you know. Yeah, man. So you fuse that kind of energy in it, you know.
Yeah.
And it become what it is, you know.
Yeah,
man.
But tell me, looking back now,
right,
and looking forward, what has been the most significant lesson for you in your musical career and journey?
Significant lesson?
Yes.
I don't know. Maybe when difficult times forward, just keep going, never stop, yeah? Yeah, man.
So no major disappointments, no major achievements, they say yes.
Well, be a household name and take the brand across on a global scale. Yeah, man. That definitely is up there.
Yeah.
major achievements, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Especially doing it in the way how we do it. Yeah. Not being aligned per se with any just being independent, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's a major.
Yeah. All right. That's your camera. Your camera.
Right.
I'm going to ask you, just give you some names, some words.
Right.
And without thinking about it, I want you to tell me what comes to mind.
Right.
Earl Barkley.
Jada, man. General. Yeah, man.
Your dad. Charmaine Watah.
Source. Motivation. Inspiration. Backbone.
Kimona Barkley. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Kareem. Arden.
Foundation.
Yeah. The other one? Donald Trump.
Mad thing.
You're saying the president is mad?
No, Jamaican term, mad thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Andrew Holness.
Mad thing.
Mark Golding.
Mad thing.
Time come or choose Jamaica?
Go again?
Time come or choose Jamaica?
Time come, I choose Jamaica. What does that mean?
That tells me you're not here, you know. Time come is a PNP slogan for the elections. Choose Jamaica is a JLP slogan.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know that about that stuff, you know? I'm not really deep on the ground like that, you know?
Huh? You don't know. You don't follow those things.
I don't know about that.
Okay. Let me also probe it for a moment. The state of Jamaica. How you feel about the state of your country?
Jamaica, man. Jamaica has always been Jamaica, man. People have to just do the right, you know? Work it out amongst ourselves, you know?
And what do we need to work out among ourselves?
How we handle disagreements and stuff. And how we treat each other, you know?